Hi guys, it's me, Joy Rodrigueza, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please like this video now and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you will not miss any of my video. And today's vlog, I'll be showing you on how I achieve this simple cut crease on my eyes. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first, I am applying the primer from Maybelline, and I'm just gonna apply it to my T-zone area and spread it all over the T-zone. Next, I'm applying the moisturizer from Aqua. Next is my foundation from Maybelline on the shade of 130. As you can see guys, I'm using a flat brush right now, but later on I'll be using the beauty blender to make sure that there is no harsh lines. Next, I'm using the brown tinted mascara for my brows. And I'm gonna be using the brow gel from MAC just to fill in the blank on my brows.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍.
And I'm using the concealer from Crease just to clean the edges of my brows. Using the same concealer, I'm also applying it under my eyes and also on my T-zone.
하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going
Next, I'm using the contour stick from Nichido to contour my face.
내 맘을 고백할게. 내 맘을 받아줘. 영원히 변치 않을 테니.
Next, I'm using the Nichido setting powder just to bake my face.
어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보며
And then I'm using this blush pink from Maelstrom to put on my eyelid. Then I'm using a bigger brush to clean the edges. Then I am using this brown eyeshadow from Pretty just to make a deeper illusion on my eyelid. And make sure to use a flat brush when you're doing this. And again, I'm using a bigger brush just to make sure that there is no harsh lines. Now using the same concealer, I am applying it on my eyelid to make a simple cut crease, and I am using a small flat brush to cut my crease. Remember, using right brushes are the key to create this look. Now I am using the eyeshadow light pink from Sansan to set the concealer on my eyelid. And now I am using the dark brown color to create a line on my eyes. And now I'm cleaning my brow bone. Again, using a bigger brush, I'm cleaning my brow bone to make sure that everything is smooth. Now that my face is big, I'm using a bigger fluffy brush to remove the setting powder. And now on my inner eye, I'm using a black eyeliner. And now I'm using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Now I'm using the same brush that I use on my eyelid. Now I'm using the natural bronzer in powder. Now I'm setting my face using this nude powder that someone just gave to me. Now I'm using the NYX Ombre Blush for my cheeks. Now I'm using this highlighter from Maelstrom that my sister gave to me.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너
Now I'm using this pink highlighter to put on my inner eye.
첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가
And now I'm using this lip liner from Ever Bilena.
불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고
And now I'm using the Super Stay lipstick from Maybelline.
I'm going crazy. I'm going
That's pretty much it, guys. So here's now the final look.